Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be part 3 in the video series on what to do with squash avalanche. My zucchini's flowing in out of the garden now, and today's video is going to be about zucchini lasagna, replacing the noodles with flat zucchini strips. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's ingredients are eggs, kind of largish zucchini, it makes larger strips just like lasagna noodles. 3 different types of cheese: Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta, garlic, oregano, and if you're watching your carbs, obviously no problem putting ground beef in, but my marinara sauce, I throw the meat in there. And this is a low carb sauce. It's only 4 grams total, 3 of which are sugars, so only 3 grams net in the half cup of this. Really good sauce. Touch on the expensive side, but worth it. We've got that zucchini all sliced. We actually have to do a little bit of prep work with it because zucchini is actually about 90% water, and if we were to just throw that in to our lasagna, that would end up being a very watery lasagna. So we'll just do a little bit of salt and some layering and pull some of that moisture out of the lasagna, and it'll be ready to cook. While that salt is pulling the moisture out of the zucchini, we'll go ahead and work on our stuffing. I'm gonna throw some chopped onion in, mostly because I love the way it smells when this is cooking together. Now that we have all the ingredients gathered and ready and prepared, it's just an assembly process, making our layers. Layer of sauce, layer of noodles, layer of cheese, layer of sauce, layer of noodles, layer of cheese, repeat, repeat. till we get to the top. We'll go ahead and do this in time lapse. There it is, ready to head into the oven. 375 for about, it's a little thicker than I normally make. I'm actually a little worried about this running out of the pan this time, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. 375 for maybe 30, 45 minutes. We'll see how it does. YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This video is my latest upload, and this video is part of my summer squash recipe series. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.